Square Station Road. Travel about 80 miles per hour. It's be a silver Chevy pickup. Go ahead and notify the city. Turn on the spruce. Get out! Get on your face! Get out! Get on your face! Get out! Get on your face! Get on your face! Get on the ground! Think I won't shoot you, buddy. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Dude, I'm on the ground.
Place your hands behind your back. Place your hands behind your back. Face away from me.
I'm down the ground. You put my hands.
Turn your face away from me.
Dude, I'm not even moving. You serious right now? I'm not even moving, bro.
Roll inside. Roll this leg up. Roll the leg up.
I'm supposed to roll my leg up if I can't. You couldn't even ask me to stand
I
up.
did.
Man. You said roll my leg up. That's not asking me to stand up, man.
That's all right. More back. More back here. Hope we got him stopped by Hopewell Loop, 10:15.
Can you please grab my phone for me?
Take a seat.
And call my wife?
Take a seat.
Can you do that for me?
Take a seat.
Just my wallet, man. Just my wallet.
Take a seat. Hope clear the net. I'm reading something to you, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
Go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Why would you run?
Just being stupid.
I get that, man, but...
Honestly, I just didn't want to take it, to be honest with you.
For what?
Because, man, you see my license? I can't afford a ticket right now. Just to be honest, if I was to be completely honest, that's it.
You have a valid license.
I know.
Then what would you get a ticket for?
For the illegal U-turn.
That's a warning.
I didn't know that. I thought I was going to get a ticket, man.
But then you pass the car going 90 on an oncoming lane. Then you ramp the intersection. And then you roll the stop sign again, run through it. I mean, dude, Mr. Marquez,
Man, I honestly...
You put yourself in harm, man.
Yeah.
Over a ticket. Now you're going to catch a felony.
I just panicked, man.
I get that, man. Listen, Lloyd, I'm not mad at you, man. But you can't be doing these things.
I understand.
Or Larry is on the phone.
What you got back there?
Honestly, wasn't going to run, man, but when the situation occurred, I actually had something fell up under my floor, and it stuck up under my gas pedal, so at that point, it was over and done with.
Marquez, Lord.
Could you at least just notify my wife so she can let my job know? Or?
But listen, you'll have all the opportunity you need to when you get up there, all right?
You still got that driver's license there, Haynie?
He said those parts are promises.